Hello everybody! In today's video we'll be reacting to kid drawings with scary stuff on them. So here we go! The first drawing. Mommy, Daddy, Julian, and the talking boy. Just imagine you're sitting on the couch and your kid bringing you this. I don't know, but this kid has a good imagination or a stalker. Okay, to the next one. Well, this one is a little stupid. They all look the same, but they really look like Slenderman. But there are some differences. One has no eyes, one has no face, one has a long neck and has a face. Oh, and one has a lot of arms. Oh, this one's nice. Today I had a fun time with my mom and dad and the cat. Even the demon left us alone this time. Damn. This boy has a demon in his house. In the first place I would call for an exorcist. Whew. I hope he and his family is okay. Next drawing. Well, this ghost knows where to watch. This is weird. I don't know if she turned back or she had her head turned 180 degrees. Okay, to another one. Wow. I think Emily is in trouble. But, this is too rude, I guess. Okay, to the next one. Wow. This message is totally bad. Just read that. Hi, how are you doing in hell? Love, Joey. To Dad and the dead. Well, I think his dad died. This is too dark. Well, I hope Joey is okay and his dad too. These are totally demons. This is not okay. What is this language? This drawing should be in the movie. Okay, let's see another one. She's beautiful and she has no eyes. Probably a kid was drawing her mom with a lot of makeup. I think there was nothing messed up with this drawing. Next one. This girl has a talent. But if my kid would bring this to me, I would put a locker on my bedroom's door and put away all knives from the kitchen. Okay, to the next one. Why kids want to chop off a head on the drawing? Valerie, get out of my life. Well, I think this is a big issue. Kids don't have to draw it like this. Kids are very scary. I don't understand why kids would want to kill each other. I wish kids wouldn't draw things like that. And have a nice day, bye!